iMazing or AltTunes. They both do the same job but have different prices. Let's compare them head to head to see which one is right for you. And watch till the end, we have a surprise you'll love. So what exactly do these two apps do? AltTunes and iMazing both back up your iPhone just like iCloud. But these apps are better because unlike iCloud, you can actually look inside these backups even if something happens to your iPhone. To get started with either app, first we need to create a backup. Let's do that on both sides. Connect your iPhone using a cable, then simply press backup. This is gonna take a couple of minutes, so let's fast forward. Now that we have our backup, we can check out what was actually inside of our iPhone, and we can still see this data even if our iPhone is not connected. That's the basic gist of these apps, replacing your iCloud backups. But which of these apps offers more features? Starting with features they have in common, they can both back up messages, call history, contacts, calendar, Apple Notes, voice memos, Safari history, bookmarks and reading list, files from your Files app, and files from inside of your iPhone apps. Both apps can also restore a backup onto a device or browse the backed up files inside of a computer. For iMazing only features, we have backing up WhatsApp messages and you can extract voicemail as well. Those two iMazing features are honestly kinda awesome. I don't personally use WhatsApp, but I know a lot of other people do. But if you don't have iMazing and you still want to back up WhatsApp, I know WhatsApp has a dedicated backup feature, so you can try that out. And as for extracting voicemail, honestly, I wish AltTunes kinda had that. But I also know my iPhone has a share button, which I can use to save any sort of voicemail and send it wherever I need to. What does AltTunes offer that iMazing does not? AltTunes can back up or extract photos and videos, skipping iCloud photos entirely, extract specific photos, or all of them at the same time. You can also extract music you have downloaded, ebooks from your Books app, TV shows, ringtones, podcasts, and file systems. I specifically use the extract photos feature all the time. Like in a few minutes when I take the video from my iPhone into my PC, I have two options. Option 1 is using iCloud, so I'll have to wait for my Photos app to finish syncing. Or option 2, which saves me a lot of time, is simply connecting my iPhone to my PC and extracting using AltTunes. And I end up using AltTunes every time because it's so much faster than waiting for my iPhone to finish syncing. So far, AltTunes has the lead over iMazing because it has more features, but it still has one more trick up its sleeve that you'll love. AltTunes comes bundled with all of Softorino apps and it still costs less than iMazing alone. But are these bundled apps any good? Let me show you and you decide. Here I have my own music collection. Some of these songs are not found on Apple Music or Spotify. I can use this app called Walter Pro to send any song into my iPhone's Apple Music app, and it will show up just like the songs you have saved from your Apple Music subscription. But wait, we can take this a step further. We already have all of our music. Why still continue paying Apple Music $11 a month? That's exactly what I did. I sent all of my 80 gigs of music into my iPhone, and because I don't want 80 gigs of music in my iPhone, I went ahead and flicked on the AAC switch inside of Walter Pro, which converts it into a slightly smaller file, resulting in only 20 gigs of storage. Walter Pro can send almost any type of file into your iPhone and it will land in the appropriate app. Videos in your Apple TV, ebooks in your Books app, ringtones, and the whole lot. I would love to continue about Walter Pro, but this video is for AltTunes versus iMazing. So if you want to check out more on Walter Pro, head to Softorino.com. There's a free trial waiting for you. But wait, what about that surprise I mentioned? Well, every single month, we're giving away free subscriptions to our audience because we stand by our products and we know you'll love it and we want to get it into your hands. So if you want a chance to win our products for free, use the link in the description below and fill out your name and email address. And at the end of every month, we'll announce multiple winners and let you know to check your mailbox for the code. I hope you found this AltTunes versus iMazing comparison true. If you did, please leave us a like. It helps us reach a wider audience and those who might find our apps handy. And subscribe because we post awesome Apple tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.